This is Honolulu Department of Emergency Management with a mandatory evacuation order due to a wildland fire emergency located in Maile and moving Mauka toward the mountain. Evacuate now from areas of Maile Mauka of Kuloyapuni St. Wildland fires can cause injury/death, burn homes, and structures. Take the following protective actions and leave now. 1. Gather all family members. Drive a neighbor who has no transportation if you can. 2. Bring pets if you can locate and secure them quickly. 3. Do not delay packing belongings. Take only essential items and medications you have ready to go. Monitor local radio and television stations for updates. Sent from the City and County of Honolulu's Department of Emergency Management.
Civil danger warning for Hawaii? Goodness.